Alright, now this is going to be a tutorial on how to remove your Kubota Bh92 backhoe. This is a backhoe that is mounted with a 4-point system, and it's a very simple thing to do. What we're going to have Brad show us, and we kind of took a little couple of shortcuts here, is that we have our stabilizers that are probably 3 to 4 inches off the ground. We have the loader bucket down, and by doing this we're releasing the pressure on the pins. So now we're going to have Brad show us how to take it off. By putting pressure, as you can see, that's where one of the pins came off. That's pin number 1. It's coming on this side. It's coming off again. Sometimes it's a challenge because these are such a tight fit, but this time it came off nice and easy. Now he's releasing the stress on that, and the backhoe is being, the frame assembly is being disconnected off the subframe. He's going to drive off. Nice and easy, because our hydraulic hoses are still connected. Okay. He strides forward just a little bit. And now he's just lowering the whole subframe. How come you do that, Brad? So as you can see, he lowered down the boom assembly, or the platform for the backhoe. This way, nobody can go by and hit the joysticks. He would come right over here, and you're going to have 2 hoses. You would disconnect this hose, and you would disconnect this other hose right here, and then you would couple them together. You would couple them. Do not ever take those hoses under pressure, and don't ever run the tractor unless those hoses are connected. Otherwise, what will happen is you'll ruin your hydraulic pump. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to put it back on.